Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable guys flash notification on vivo phone device. Friends, you want to enable incoming flash notifications, so how to enable incoming call flash notification on vivo phone device. In this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your vivo phone. So friends, scroll it and friends click on vivo phone shortcut and accessibility setting. Friends, click here. Friends, you can see first is as capture setting. So friends, you want to use three finger screenshot, you want to take a screenshot with three fingers, so you can on from here. Friends, you want to use your split screen setting, you can enable your split screen from here and you can use it. So when scroll it friends, you can see easy touch. Friends, you want to on your easy touch on a vivo phone, so you can on from here, and friends you can use your easy touch. Click here and you can use your easy touch, so I will off it. So friends, click on flash notification. Friends, you can see flash notification, incoming call flash notification. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable. After enable friends, you can see when the screen is turned off, the rear camera flash will blink when the event occurs. So guys, when your screen is off, so guys your flash will blink. So friends, you want to enable your screen flash notification, incoming call flash notification. Friends, you can enable from here. Already friends, you have enabled, you don't want to use, so when you can disable. After disable friends, your flash will not blink. So friends, you can enable and disable your flash notification on your vivo phone device. And friends, you can find this setting with shortcut setting also. Direct friends, search here guys flash setting. So guys, search here guys flash notification. Friends, you can see flash notification. Direct friends, you can enable and disable from here. So bye guys.